Today we're at Whatawhata School. We're opening up the project playground. It's a really exciting day. And the project came about because we were thinking of what can we do for the community that's really impactful, leaves a lasting legacy and helps out so many people at one time. And yeah, I think the playground sums that up really nicely. So we went out for nominations to the community and we got down to a 4 finalists, and through that opened up to community voting in our Hamilton stores. That was really exciting to get over 20,000 votes from our community and from the school communities on who they think should win.
Whatawhata School is a school with 274 kids. We really wanted to have a space for them to be able to play, for them to be able to create, for them to be able to imagine. And fundraising in this day and age is really tricky. And in a community like ours, which is really small, you don't want to keep drawing from that community and have them put their hard-earned money into this space all the time. When Mitre announced the competition, our PTA were very driven to get on board with that and really rally the community to get in behind it.
We thought, this is our chance, this is our opportunity. I think it was really important that the community also had to vote because it really showed the force that was behind us, and we'll remember this always.
When we heard the news that we'd won the playground, the kids' eyes lit up because they knew something was going on.
There were tears, we were very, very emotional. Yeah, very happy.
And we've really been looking forward to the opening of this for such a long time, so glad the day's here.
We really appreciate the work that's gone on here. So we're here today to finally open our exciting playground.
Tomato sauce?
It's the very first one that we have actually landed, and we want to actually make this an ongoing thing. And when you look at our youth around how do we give back to them, it's sort of that helping hands and project playground fitted quite nicely with how we want to give back to the community. It's actually about the funding, it's about the actual facilitation of the project that we've really got behind and provided that extra layer of support to help the school.